Today we're going to learn about powers and roots. I'm sure we've all seen something like this: 6 times 6 equals to 36. So what are powers and roots? Let's talk about powers first. So 6 times 6, or we can say 2 times 2 times 2, that'll give us 8, right? There's a shorter way to write this, which is writing it in index form. So writing this in index form, you can write it as 6 squared, which just means 6 times 6. And then this is 2 cubed, meaning 2 to the power of 3. That's where the power comes in, the power of 3. 6 to the power of 2 to give you 36. 2 to the power of 3 to give you 8. Now, when we're talking about, I use my scarf to wrap the board. It's quite handy. When we're talking about roots now, same thing. 6 times 6 equals to 36. Now, if I'm doing the reverse, that's why I use the root. Root of 36 equals to 6, because square root just means what am I squaring to get this answer. So what am I squaring to get 36? It's 6.